This is me. I am currently working somewhere in a remote village, somewhere in Africa. It's now 11 a.m. in the morning and I am going to greet my grandmother since it's the weekend. I like being in this village because there is a sense of peace that I just can't explain.
Hadi, Bibi. Mnamkaje huko? Salama
marhaba. Habari yenu? Mnamkaje huko?
Salama tu, sijui wewe.
Salama kabisa. Haya.
Nasema acha ndoke leo jamani.
Nakuja tualamuse kidogo huko.
Nzuri. Mayo, mnamkaje? Jambo vya osho hapa kidogo. Sasa mimi nakuja na mazuri. Kabisa tu niendelea na filamu zangu mimi. Sasa kuna hii. Angalia, shukrani. Pia kuna hizi pia tutapika. Sio kula ngamai bibi. Ninakula. Haya. Sawa. Tushafika hivi. Shukrani. Haya. Mimi ndo naenda na kwangu ndani kaweke.
Grandma was very happy to see me today. Wow, there's even a bouncing baby here. Subscribe for this baby. This right here is where we have the first toilet and the garbage pit as well.
I feel so good. So good.
You will notice that there is always new members in the family from time to time. This is because in Africa, family trees tend to be very wide and diverse, and this one is no exception. Now, let me show you an ongoing project. This structure here will soon be a house. Right now, Grandma is doing her very best to pay for the labor.
So right now, this house is incomplete, but we are really working on it. Maybe by the end of the week, it will be ready for us to stay inside, okay? Stay tuned, guys. I love you.
As you can see, we build using a combination of long sticks, stones, clay soil, and makuti, which is this roofing here.
Okay, as you can see, this is wood. This is wood. This is the makuti. Kuku. Hivi. Unaona hii? It is still wet.
Yeah, it's still under construction.
It is still under construction.
I would really love this.
Use stones and this plus water. Then now we make that. And minya. This is our stola.
By the way, have you noticed that this village is always very clean? Let me tell you, not every village around here is always clean. Rafiki, I am so excited to finally expose to you the secret tool behind this cleanliness. It is this broom here.
Cabbage, leftover cabbage.
Well, we normally use this magic broom to make sure the compound is neat always. Now, share this video with those people who think you need a vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Bye, loves. See you in the next video.